Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here. I'm in our Welding Technology Lab inside Weaver Hall here on campus to make a special announcement. Starting in fall 2022, students will have the opportunity to earn a 2-year associate degree in Welding Fabrication and Manufacturing Technology. This program will expand on our 1-year Welding Academic Certificate program. Working closely with industry partners ensures our Welding Fabrication and Manufacturing Technology students are introduced to industry from day one and get the hands-on education needed for this in-demand career. During the first year, students will learn about safety, hand tools, metallurgy, print reading, weld symbols, and different types of welding like plasma arc, stick, MIG, TIG, and flux core arc. Then, during their second year, students will study custom fabrication, pipe welding and fitting, basic rigging and shop drawings, piping layouts, and learn non-destructive testing methods. In addition to attaining American Welding Society certifications, our 2-year program offers students the ability to test for American Society of Mechanical Engineers pipe welding certifications. Graduates will work as welders, welder fabricators, fitters, ornamental metal sculptors, and operators of metal lathes or milling machines. They will have the opportunity to make a median annual income of over $44,000 and up to $63,000 after just a few years of experience. Typical employers in the welding industry include structural steel fabricators, custom metal shops, industrial contractors, shipyards, pipe and pressure vessel fabricators, and retail welding sales. Local employers include Cristiano Welding Supply, Air Products and Chemicals, Northeast Machinery Network Incorporated, A1 Welding Service, and Carnell Incorporated, just to name a few. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, our welding fabrication and manufacturing technology graduates will ultimately enter the workforce with an 8% growth potential through 2030. Welding is a growing industry where our highly trained graduates will succeed. This new 2-year associate degree program is now accepting applications. Remember, students can stack their credentials starting with continuing education coursework to our 1-year academic certificate program and now toward a 2-year associate degree. If you or someone you know is interested in welding fabrication and manufacturing technology, one of our newest 2-year associate degree programs, please visit our website, johnson.edu, or contact our enrollment team at enroll@johnson.edu. The launch of this program and others announced this fall demonstrates how Johnson College continues to answer the industry demand for highly skilled technicians. That's it for now from the Welding Technology Lab here on campus. Thank you for watching and have a great day.